P5, Unit 2, eating out. What is eating out? Eating outside? Eating in the rain? Eating with animals? No. We say eating out when we talk about going out to a restaurant, going out with family or friends. It can be delicious and lots of fun. Let's learn some vocabulary about eating out. Repeat after me. Restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Waitress, waitress, waitress. Menu, menu, menu. Starter, starter, starter. Main course, main course, main course. Dessert, dessert, dessert. We will be making a mind map for our new unit. We need to think about some things. Think about a special day. When did you go to the restaurant? When did you eat out? Yesterday? On Christmas? And why? Was it a birthday? Who did you go with? Your father? Your cousins? Your uncle? Where did you go? The Chinese restaurant? The Japanese restaurant? Please describe the restaurant. Remember, describe the restaurant. What did you see? What did you do? And of course, what did you eat? Starter? Salad? Some soup? What about the main course? And dessert or drinks? What did you eat? What did you drink? How did it look? How did it smell? And of course, how did it taste? How did you feel? Bloated, stuffed, satisfied? We can fill out the mind map using these words. Remember to think about it before class. You can do it. Thank you for watching.